Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. The ribbon is the wide horizontal bar at the top of the Microsoft Word window, just below the title bar. It contains all the tools and commands you need to type, edit, format, insert, review, and manage documents. Instead of searching through many menus, the ribbon organizes tools in a clear and easy way. Structure of the ribbon. The ribbon is divided into three main parts. Tags. Tabs are the main headings on the ribbon. Examples: Home, Insert, Layout or Page Layout, References, Mailings, Review, View. Each tab contains related commands. 2. Groups. Groups are found inside each tab. They organize commands into categories. Example: Home tab, Clipboard group, Font group, Paragraph group, Styles group, Editing group. Groups make tools easy to find and use. 3. Commands, buttons. Commands are the actual tools you click. Examples: bold, font size, insert picture, page number, spell check. Each command performs a specific action.